They're very eager to destroy the Vice President. So marami silang mga PR. Yung pinafile nila yung ibang congressman, yung mga leftist congressmen and women first, 'di ba? Tapos nag-ano na naman sila. Hindi nila na calculate na kung ano yung magiging effect if whenever they really needed to push through with the impeachment. Kasi yung impeachment kasi na yan, they are just pushing for it just to, make a bad name out of the Vice President. Di naman talaga yan na, well, as far as our camp is concerned, wala namang kasalanan talaga yung Vice President natin. Pinapalabas nyo lang impeachment, and ngayon, nasaturate nyo kasi, hindi nyo, kung yun yung ginagamit nyo as a tool, as a weapon against her, ngayon, hindi nyo na magamit. In the first place, kasi kung nung una pa lang talaga, na ginamit nyo yan against the Vice President, sana nag-push through na yan. So, ibig sabihin, wala talaga kayong hawak na pwede nyong i-impeach yung tao.
Right.
So, manahimik na lang sana kayo. Mga unggoy.
Hana, Harvey, Mayor, if I may add, ni-raise din kasi ni VP Sara yung series of interviews ng Secretary General. So one of the reasons na sinabi ni Sec Gen Velasco, sabi niya, hindi daw sila nag-act upon the first, second, and third impeachment kasi nga may mga members daw sa Congress na nagsasabing, wag muna because they need to wait for the fourth impeachment. So, sa aspeto pa lang na ganyan, masasabi natin na there is a deliberate attempt to freeze the impeachment which is not allowed under the law. Tapos pag tingnan mo yung petition ni VP Sara, may mga timestamps sa lahat ng interviews. So lahat ng mga ginagawa nila, mga PR nila, yung sinabi ni Mayor kanina, lahat ng mga PR, mga interviews nila, media, conferences and everything, nagagamit against them. So, 'di ba? Funny siya. Pero parang it's a waste of taxpayers' money din kasi they are still pushing with that groundless impeachment case.
So sila lang din they just show the people that it's only a narrative that they're trying to push, not really a real case.
And speaking of PR, Mayor and Joe, what's really interesting here immediately when the Supreme Court resolution came out nagpalabas ng video ang House of Representatives, a compilation. It's a video dedicated to VP Sara, a compilation explaining the articles of impeachment. So I think you shared this also, Cho, na instead of answering, taking time to answer, at least may time silang gumawa ng propaganda video.
So far this is the funniest propaganda video I have ever seen because it's like a work of a high school student ba na project na ano yung grounds bakit na-impeach si VP Sara.
Tapos, sorry, but not to demean high school projects, mga high school students projects.
I'm not demeaning the high school students. I mean the level of this is Congress. This is a national agency, di ba? So dapat they could have done better.
Correct.
Because they know for a fact na the impeachment rap they initiated will not be successful. So ginagawa nila yung info drive nila ngayon by making videos like that na ganito yung mga grounds,
propaganda. That's why ganun na yung impeachment na yan is just a tool to antagonize the Vice President, because we can never neglect the fact that she is a strong candidate in the 2028 presidential elections.
Lahat naman ng survey nagsasabi din na siya yung top contender for that 2028 presidential election. So, they are doing their very best to demolish her character, 'di ba? Parang ganyan para wala nang
No, because I believe Marty wants to run for the presidency or anyone from their camp. They just want to put somebody there for the next presidential election.
Correct.
And the top contender is the vice president. That's why.
Tama. And with that premise, knowing na wala talagang on surveys, wala talagang lumalapit na contender doon. So we expect na more of these attacks and propaganda will come out leading to 2028. That's for sure.
Kulelat din si sa survey. Si Martin.
Wala talaga.
Hindi nga umaabot ng 5%,
Nasaan
diba?
na ba siya? Pero hindi na natin siya narinig recently.
Tahimik na siya ngayon, no?
Wala na. Alam niya na nawala siyang pag-asa.
Tahimik yata.
Ano, wala. Ayaw ko na pag-usapan yung tao.
Pero with this video, Cho, Mayor, no, do you think, since you're a social media person, Cho, no, do you think this video had any effect whatsoever to the Filipino people in terms of how they see the Vice President?
Yeah, meron talaga. Meron talagang nasisway, lalo na yung mga blind followers, because we cannot deny the fact that in the Philippines, we have Marcos loyalists, we have Marcos apologists, and these groups of people, wala silang nakikitang mali. 'Di ba? So, yun, pwede silang masway sa video na yan. Pero what I love about this is the fact na if you look at the page of the Congress, ang majority of the reactions ay haha, naka-laugh reactions sila. So meaning to say, sinusuka nga sila ng tao. Tama talaga yung tagging ng PDP Laban na team sinusuka sila.
Nobody is pleased with what you are doing right now. Kasi alam naman ng mga tao talaga that it's clearly politics. That's why earlier I said na kaya nga malakas yan for 2028 if ever she decides to run for the presidency. Wala yan. Puro lang politika. Yan lang man din talaga. If you look at the Philippines, it's always somebody has something to say against somebody. You know, just to to boost themselves. Yan talaga typical na politika ng Pilipinas. Kailangan may siraan ka para umangat ka. 'Di ba? Nangyari kang erap, kulong. Nangyari kay GMA, kulong din ni ano. Kaya nga, yun ano yung unique talaga sa panahon ni PRD. Makita mo lang na ayaw niya ng gulo. And gusto niya, if you want to build a country, then you need to unite your people. So that's why kahit sa tingin ng iba nga hindi palibing yan si Marcos, ipalibing niya para matapos na lahat so that we can move forward and build a nation.
Correct.
Ito traditional politics and traditional politicians composes Congress. Mind you, yan lahat halos talaga dyan lahat. Wala yan. Mga dynasties, mga old rich sa kanilang mga probinsya, nandyan yan lahat. So they are using or they behave kung ano they behave na kung ano yung mga traditional politicians dito sa bansa natin. So sige lang, at least maganda pa rin, you know. Kasi para makita ng tao kung ano talaga yung mga politiko natin dito sa bansa. Para you know, they can see na gaano ka walang kwenta talaga yung mga ibang politiko dito. Para makita nila na you know, mas they can choose better. Since mag-election na, they can choose better kung ano yung tingin nila na maayos talaga. Kasi doon pa lang sa impeachment, most of you know the people in Mindanao and Visayas were very displeased because given Inday Sara is a Bisaya man siya. Bisaya siya. So that's natural na you know nasa following, it's a natural following that she has. So yung impeachment, yung mga congressman na from the island of Mindanao and Visayas, marami nagalit sa mga pumirma sa kanila na ano. It did not sit well with the majority of people na lalo na dito sa Mindanao and the Visayas.
Correct. Sakto ka, Mayor, no? That reaction on social media and even on the ground na yung mga posters ng mga pumirma na
Tinanggal.
congressman tinatanggal.
If only they had the balls to stand against, you know, this kind of politics that Martin Romualdez is showing, then they would be heroes in their own communities and districts.
Correct.
Diba? And yet, wala. They succumbed sa, to traditional politics.
Instead of championing and standing up for their constituency, it's turned out, but that's how we perceive it, no, na nadala sila doon sa kung ano man ang pinangako in exchange of that signature.
You know why? Kasi, ang Pilipinas kasi is so fed up with these kinds of politics. Yung mga ganitong klaseng galawan sa politika. Ang Pilipino ngayon, they know better compared to, before. So, alam nila, naghahanap yan sila na mga tao that can, that will represent them na may itlog talaga, who have the balls to do what is right and to do what is beneficial for the majority, not for themselves only, not for the individual.
Correct.
Kasi yun naman talaga, lahat na lang ng mga politiko or aspiring politicians, they want to gusto maging congressman, kay may Land Cruiser, may ganito, may ganon, may Patek Philippe, may Rolex.
Luxury items.
Oh.
Hermes
The Filipinos are so fed up with that already. So, kaya talaga, pag may mga ganon and they feel that they are not, well represented, meaning the real how the people in the districts really felt towards the issue, misrepresented yung nila, yung totoong gusto nila by the congressman, kaya nagagalit sila.
Tama.
Tama yan, huwag niyo nang botohin kung if ever maghanap yung kalaban na lang, doon na lang kayo bumoto. Subukan nyo and like held that person accountable for whatever he will do if ever siya makaupo as congressman sa inyong lugar. So, hayaan nyo na yung isa, lipat muna kayo dito kasi pumalpak man yan, wala man yung itlog, dito muna kayo sa kabila.
Tama.
Subukan nyo, baka pala, yun pala makadeliver sa inyo ng sakto na serbisyo. And, lalo na, pag ma-apike gani or in times of crisis, nandyan para sa inyo.